In this video we're looking at labor teams in Xperdyte Manufacturing Software. We'll explain what labor teams are, when to use them, how to create a new labor team, and finally how to add it to a bill of materials. Manufacturing costs are made up of more than just materials. Operational overheads such as electricity, labor, machine time, and external services all contribute to the true manufacturing cost of a product. Capturing these costs during manufacturing gives you more accurate production records before the information is posted back to your accounting system. Labor teams allow you to recover the labor cost involved in manufacturing your products. Rather than tracking every individual employee, Xperdyte uses labor teams to simplify cost recovery and reporting. You can create teams for different departments or skills, such as assembly, welding, painting, or supervisors. Each labor team is assigned its own hourly rate, making it easy to recover labor costs while keeping your manufacturing setup simple to manage. Begin by navigating to the menu panel on the left side of the interface. Expand cost types, then expand labor, and finally select labor teams. To start a new record, click the Add button on the top toolbar. Enter a short descriptive code together with a meaningful description. Keep the code simple, and avoid spaces or special characters where possible. The group field is optional and can be used to organize labor teams for reporting purposes. Next, choose whether the labor team is variable or fixed. Variable costs increase as production increases. Labor is typically configured as a variable cost, because more production usually requires more labor hours. Fixed costs remain the same regardless of production quantity, and are generally used only in specific manufacturing scenarios. Then enter the hourly labor rate in the base rate field. User-defined fields are optional and can be configured for your own reporting requirements. Once complete, click Save. Once your labor team has been created, open Maintain Bill of Materials, and load the required bill of materials. Navigate to the Labor tab, and click Add. Then choose the required labor team. Enter the labor time required to manufacture the product. Please note that time must be entered as a decimal of an hour. Press F5 to open the built-in calculator, where you can enter the actual time and automatically convert it to decimal hours. Click Use, then save the labor team and the bill of materials to include the labor team in future works orders. You now know what labor teams are, when they should be used, how to create a new labor team, and how to add it to a bill of materials. Correctly configuring labor teams helps recover labor costs consistently and provides meaningful reporting across your manufacturing process. If you have any questions, please contact the Xperdyte support team at info@xperdyte.co.za. Thanks for watching.